So today is the 28th March and we have only 3 days in our hand of the April. Okay, but April is coming, okay, after 3 days. So here are the list of top 5 winning products for April 2026. uh, and I have researched these 5 products on my by my research, customer research, market research, all of this, because maybe you will say that this is from ChatGPT, Gemini, or other AI tools. No, I researched from like by the market research, customer research, and the season trend. Okay, and you can also think that every problem solving product you can say lifetime. Okay, just you need to better marketing, change marketing angle. Okay, first product is AI powered smart paint monitor. These products I will show you first of all in Amazon, because you know I always find product on Amazon, because Amazon is the world number one retail marketplace. Okay, and I don't find from AliExpress, from Alibaba, because on there you will find like more competitor like you. Okay, not everyone's the customer. That's why Amazon is the best. And this is the product that AI powered smart plant monitor. The reason why this product is good, because you can control your plant by AI and software. Okay, like you can see that this product's 100 plus bought in the past month, and this one has 152 review. uh, every product has good reviews. Okay, this is a video. Okay, this is the video. Wow, nice. Okay, temperature, everything's you can control. Yeah, and we can see this product has good demand, because very few competitors are selling, and this is the product plant almost 80%, 70% people have in their house. Okay, the reason why this product, because it covers two huge audience, tech and gardening, and target audience is millennials, those who love indoor gardening. And then we will go to our third product, portable ice recovery tab. So we will go to again ChatGPT or sorry, Amazon. Let's go to Amazon. And okay, yeah, um yeah, this is very popular product. Okay, and this is also a viral product. I will show you the data of the product. Okay, you can see 100 plus bought in the past month. Let's see the product. We will see the consumer insight, what the customer saying. Okay, let's click on here. Let's the customer say it incredible ice bath tub for serious athletics. Nice. I have tried a few ice bath tubs in the past, but none of have compared to this one. As an athlete, recover is everything. Okay, so it means customers are always already finds this product. Okay, finding this product has demand. Let's go to down. Great tap for bigger people. Nice. Okay, great product and customer service, the perfect upgrade. Okay, so when you will read the comments, definitely you are understanding the insight of the customer, the consumer, and the product, the demographic of is the product is working in the market or not. Okay, so this is our number two product. The trend of cold plunge is or ice bath is more intense in 2026. Athletes and fitness enthusiasts now want to recover at home outside of the gym. Target audience: gym members, athletes, and biohackers. Okay, this is the target audience. And number three product is 4-in-1 travel charging station for Apollo Android. Let's see again on Amazon. Okay, Amazon. Nice. This is the product, that charging station for Apollo multiple devices, 3-in-1. Okay, this is 7-in-1. Okay, nice. Wow. This is 3-in-1. This is 4-in-1. Okay, it's mainly for the travelers. You can charge your iPhone, your watch, uh, your headphone, everything. Okay, so this is also very good product, and the reviews is also awesome. 300 plus bought, 100 plus bought. Nice, everything. So when you see that the last month a decent amount is purchased, so this is a good product. Okay, it has also already demand. And we will see that the ergonomic neck and shoulder relaxer. Okay, since you are working with neck massager, this related to gravity stretches, this is the product, that neck massager. Yeah, Let's see. Okay, this is a very common product, but it's popular. Yeah, I think you know this product. The reason why this product is I chose, because these items is really high demand have. And if you can beat the competitors content creativity, if you can show a unique angle in your content, so definitely you will also be top brand in this niche or in this product market. Okay, and I don't think that you have to see about the reviews. It's already clear. 5K, 7K, um so like 100 everything's every product are selling the competitors. And then we will go to our number last product, eco-friendly solar power. This is a product that I already very surprised. Why? Because I didn't see this product much, but this product is really helpful and interesting product. Okay, this one's okay. This one is very good product. Solar light. Okay, you can see the product specification, the product, how it's working. Let's read some comment. Okay, comment. Okay, these are the product using is good light. If you have a lot of sunlight, would recommend get investment. And okay, nice product. And we can see a video. Let's see a video.
By the way,
Okay.
look how it works at night. I have two different, pretty good light.
Okay, nice. All right, my friends, so these are the 5 products. If you have also any product in your mind, in your list, just contact me, just show me. If you feel any problem how you can start marketing, I will show you, I will guide you. Okay, so yeah, that's it.